नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं विनय शर्मा आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं हमारे YouTube चैनल ऑनलाइन बोर्ड में। आज हम बात करेंगे बैंकिंग एग्ज़ाम में आए हुए कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट फ्रेजल वर्ब्स के बारे में। अकाउंट फॉर, टू एक्सप्लेन द रीज़न फॉर। एग्जाम्पल है, आस्किंग गवर्नमेंट टू अकाउंट फॉर इट्स वर्क इज़ ए ट्रेंड नाउ, पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी। आंसर फॉर, टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर। एग्जाम्पल, जुलियन assange नीड्स टू आंसर फॉर व्हाट ही हैज़ डन, हिलेरी क्लिंटन। Ask after, to make inquiries about the health of someone. Example, is Deepika Padukone pregnant? Fan ask after she flaunts her IFA 2019 look. Ask for, to demand. Example, gold medalist don't ask for gold in marriage. Anandi Ben Patel. Back out, to withdraw from something before completion, to fail to keep promise. Example, major payment companies back out of Facebook's Libra cryptocurrency. Back out, to support. Example, 50% of women in relationship have a backup partner. A study says bank upon, count on, to rely on. Example, you can't bank upon Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli, only Ganguly to other players. Bear down, to overthrow or crush by force. Example, landslide and flood warning as two typhoons bear down on Japan. Bear up, to withstand stress or difficulty. Example, everyone has to bear up some difficulties. Bear with, to tolerate with someone. Example, please bear with us, we do have a few ghosts in the machine trying to rectify these quickly. Company's spokesperson on website crash. Become off, to happen. Example, I wonder what happened to Priniti Chopra's career. Branch out, to spread. Example, Las Vegas healing garden co-creator plan to branch out across the nation. Breakdown, to stop working. Example, North Korea said that discussion with the US on Pyongyang's nuclear program have broken down. Break into, to enter by force. Example, a teenager attempted to break into a German prison to win back his ex-girlfriend. Break off, to stop suddenly to end a relationship. Example, Virat Kohli's break off in the middle of a match when he heard the news of his father. Break out, to start suddenly, disease, war, etc. Example, dengue has broken out in Delhi. Break up, to end, disperse. Example, Selena Gomez opens up about her romance and ultimate breakup with Justin Bieber. Breakthrough, to discover a secret. Example, announced Google announced a breakthrough in quantum computing. Bring about, to cause to happen. Example, Saurav Ganguly as BCCI president can bring about improvement. Vridhman Saha. Bring along, to take someone something. Example, Uber is making it easier to bring pets along for the ride. Bring down, to overthrow, to reduce in position. Example, Tata Sky has introduced an optimization feature for its subscriber to bring down monthly subscription cost. Bring forward, to present. Example, the International Paralympic Committee has told that it has power to bring forward events if typhoons strike during Tokyo Games. Bring in, to produce, yield, or earn. Example, day night test cricket will certainly bring in the crowds. Anil Kumble. Bring on, to cause to happen. Example, upcoming movie Conjuring 3 will bring on the scares, chills, and frights. Bring out, to represent to the public, to make someone quality noticeable. Example, this Diwali let Ram's spirit bring out best in us. Bring round, to bring to one's senses, to make one agree to one's opinion. Example, the trade union succeeded in bringing the management round to their point of view. Bring under, to control. Example, Reliance is planning to bring all digital units under one roof. Bring up, to raise, to rear, or to increase. Example, Deepika Padukone wants to bring up her children exactly the way she was brought up. Filmfare. Call on, to visit a person. Example, Devendra Fadnavis and Shiv Sena leaders separately calls on Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Call for, to demand. Example, call for jihad in Jammu Kashmir against the Indian forces. Imran Khan. Call off, to cancel. Example, Bangladesh cricketers have called off their strike after getting assurance from the country's board. Carry away, to arouse too much emotional zeal. Example, I was carried away by the emotional sense scene of Swedish movie. Come by, to get. Example, it is difficult to come by a good news nowadays. Carry on, to continue. Example, young leg spinner Usman Qadir has vowed to carry on the legacy of his late father Abdul Qadir. Carry out, to complete or fulfill, to execute. Example, our success will lie in how we carry out Modi's vision. Devendra Fadnavis. Chance upon, to meet, get by chance. Example, I chanced upon one of my friends when I was going to market. Clear of, to free from blame. Example, how LinkedIn steered clear of controversy. Come about, to happen. Example, how did these huge losses in your business come across, to find or meet by chance. Example, Ayushman's Bhalla movie has all hair loss tips we have ever come across on the internet. Come down, to become lower or cheaper. Example, onion prices will come down soon. Bangladesh PM Hasina. Come forward, to offer help. Example, Shiv Sena should come forward to for alternative agreement. BJP. Close down, to stop operating. Example, the petrol pumps of Reliance closed down. Come out, to come into public view. Happen. Example, the Apple CEO Tim Cook revealed that he has motivated to publicly come out as gay. Come to gain consciousness, or to recover, or to get result. Example, US and China have come to understanding on trade relationship. Come up, mooted or raised for discussion. Example, the issue of safety come up twice during the meeting. Count on, to depend on, to rely on. Example, secret to a happy wedding, don't count on contributions. Cut in, to interrupt. Example, you should not cut with your unsolicited advice. Deal in, to have business of something. Example, he deals in sugar. Deal with, to handle. Example, no 50-50 deal with Shiv Sena, I will be CM for next 5 years. Devendra Fadnavis. Die out, to get extinct. Example, several species died out because of climate change. Dispose of, to sell off, to get rid of. Example, CBDT sets June 30 deadline to dispose of demonetization cases. Drag on, to stretch. Example, the court cases in India drag on for years. Enter into, to start or get involved. Example, India and Saudi Arab will enter into new pact on security. MEA. Fall back, to retreat. Example, PSUs fall back as private firms move ahead. Fall off, to become less, decrease. Example, stock prices have fallen off. Figure out, to understand. Example, it took me only one net session to figure out that Shikhar Dhawan had extraordinary talent. Coach, gain on to come close to someone or something that you are chasing. Example, I'm gaining to on them in my business. Soon I will leave them behind. Get about, around, spread, move around, or be socially active. Example, good news are getting about onlineboard.com in market. Get away with, to do something wrong or illegal without getting caught or punished. Example, the thieves got away with all my belongings. Get down, to direct attention towards something. Please get down to your work. Get on, to make progress, to be on harmonious terms. Example, he gets on well with all his neighbors. Get rid of, to dispose of, to leave. Example, I want to get rid of my bad habits. Get through, to finish or assist in finishing. Example, if you work hard you will get through this task in a week. Give away, to distribute, to reveal, to betray. Example, this thief guest gave away the prizes. Give up, to leave, to stop doing something, to yield. Example, she has given up smoking. Go ahead, to start or continue to do something. Example, go ahead if you are willing to get success in your business. Go along, to cooperate. Example, I will go along with them on this issue. Go through, to pass through a time. Example, let me go through this book. Go up, increase. Example, price of good food grains went up due to famine. Hold back, to retain in one's profession possession, to retain oneself. Example, please hold back your emotions when you are talking to strangers. Hold down, to prevent, to limit. Example, the militants were held down by Indian army. Hold on, to maintain one's grip, to continue to do something despite difficulties, to wait for something wanted or requested. Example, please hold on while we transfer your call to the executive. Jump at, to draw conclusion in a hurry. Example, you should not jump at any conclusion without due deliberation. Keep up, to maintain. Example, keep up your confidence in every situation. Knock down, to bring to the ground with a blow. Example, three people were knocked down by a spreading car. Laugh at, to make fun of. Example, we should not laugh at others. Lay side, buy, to make savings for future use. Example, please lay some money aside for the rainy days. Lay down, to give up for future use or surrender. Example, there is no alternative but to lay down your weapons. Lay out, to arrange according to plans. Example, lay out your plans before investing money. Let someone down, to disappoint someone. Example, trust me, I will not let you down. Live up to live or act in accordance with. Example, I could not live up to my parents expectations. Look after, take care of. Example, she has five children to look after. Look for, to try to find. Example, I am looking for my lost book. Look forward to, expect with pleasure. Example, I am looking forward to meeting you soon. Look into, investigate. Example, please look into this matter as soon as possible. Make of, to understand, to produce, or construct. Example, from what do you make of this news? Makeover, convert, redo, renovate. Example, this place needs a complete makeover. Mess up, to make an error. Example, I messed up a question and hence scored fewer marks. Move on, to concentrate one's other matter in recovering from a setback or difficulty. Example, control your emotion and move on in life. Note down, to write something so that you don't forget it. Example, please note down the important notes. Pass away, to die. Example, he passed away in sleep. Pay for, to suffer for doing some mistake. Example, we have to pay for our sins. Play on, to take advantage of. Example, he played on her emotions. Put down, to suppress, to criticize. Example, never put down your friends in public. Put off, to postpone, to repel. Example, the meeting was put off due to heavy rains. Put on, assume, to clothe oneself. Example, put on your sweater. Pay off, to be successful. Example, hard work pays off. Run down, become weak, desperate, desperate, to criticize, to crush. Example, do not run down your spouse in public. Run into, transform into, account up to. Example, I ran into my childhood friends in the market. See through, to realize the truth. Example, I saw through his evil intention. See off, to take leave of. Example, I went to the station to see off my friends. Send for, to call someone. Example, please send for a doctor. Set up, to establish. Example, he set up a new business. Sort out, to find a solution. Example, please sort out my problems. Stand by, to remain loyal, to be ready. Example, I will stand by you through thick and thin. Step down, to resign from a high post. Example, he stepped down after being alleged of corruption. Step in, to intervene. Example, the boss stepped in when the fight turned ugly. Step out, to quit. Example, step out of my way. Taken aback, to be surprised. I was taken aback by his audacity. Take after, to resemble a close older relative. Example, he has taken after his father. Take down, to write down. Example, please take down the important points. Take over, to take responsibility for or control of. Example, a few secretary has taken over the key post. Turn down, to refuse or reject. Example, he turned down my offer. Turn out, to be, to prove to be. Example, he turned out to be a crook. Wear off, to lose effect soon. Example, the polish started wearing off. Weigh down, to make anxious, to burden. Example, men were weighed down with added responsibilities. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।